The day that I left South Korea, it was the middle of winter. It was freezing cold and it was snowing. We arrived safely in Thailand after a short, uneventful 6-hour, 15-minute flight.
We're in Bangkok. Crazy power line.
After arriving at our destination, my friends and I were so excited, we immediately walked around the area we would be staying in.
Do you see this pineapple in how? Look at the pineapple.
Oh, sick.
Bangkok is known for its street food, nightlife, shopping, and cultural landmarks. You can find tons of street food guides and tips on where to go online. Our first meal in Bangkok was insanely good. Everything we ordered was delicious. We chose to stay at the centrally located Novotel Bangkok on CM Square. Since then, it has been remodeled and updated. We did end up eventually switching to Mirat Executive Apartments Hotel. Hopefully the issues I had are no longer a problem at Novotel.
Can he just pass them too?
Oh, they're still up there.
Wat Arun was the first historic site we visited while in Bangkok. Wat Arun has a dedicated Facebook page that stays up to date on the schedule and events of the temple. We decided to take a boat tour, but didn't research on who best to tour with. This decision will later come back to haunt us. We were told by our guide they would show us the floating market. This was not that. It's also worth noting, though, that it's best to go in the morning to see a real floating market. We captured some cool photos, but I quickly experienced seasickness because we were on a slower boat. Had we known there were different boats with different speeds, we would have chosen better. Here are my top 5 useful tips that I wish I knew before traveling to Bangkok. Beware of scammers. Choose the right hotel, do the research, do your due diligence, and check the reviews before booking. Carry your hotel card with Thai instructions. This will help you get back to your hotel easily. Do not ride in a taxi if the meter is off and they refuse to turn it on. Get out and catch another one. Use public transportation as much as possible. You save money and you avoid traffic. For part 2 of my Bangkok experience, stay tuned.